Tired of your bland backyard or balcony? Want to create a tropical oasis right in your own home? In this video, we'll show you how to transform your tiny outdoor space into a lush and vibrant tropical paradise. We'll share easy and affordable DIY ideas for adding tropical elements to your space, including plants, flowers, decor, and more. So let's get started. The foundation of any tropical garden is the plants and flowers you choose. Look for tropical plants that thrive in your climate, such as palms, ferns, and orchids. Incorporate vibrant tropical flowers like hibiscus, bougainvillea, or plumeria to add color and life to your space. For a more low-maintenance option, consider container gardening. This allows you to easily move plants around and protect them from harsh weather. Bamboo is a versatile and affordable way to add a tropical touch to your outdoor space. Use bamboo to create privacy screens, fences, or decorative accents. Tiki torches are another classic tropical element that can create a warm and inviting atmosphere. Place tiki torches around your outdoor space to add a festive touch. Incorporate other tropical elements, such as hammocks, colorful rugs, and exotic artwork to complete the look. A comfortable seating area is essential for enjoying your tropical oasis. Choose outdoor furniture that is both stylish and durable. Add cushions and pillows in bright tropical colors to create a cozy and inviting atmosphere. Consider adding a small table for serving drinks and snacks. One of the best ways to personalize your outdoor space is to add DIY elements. Here are some fun and easy projects to try. Build a DIY water feature. A small fountain or waterfall can add a soothing sound and visual interest to your garden. Make your own tropical-inspired decor. Create DIY decorations like lanterns, wind chimes, or wall art using tropical-themed materials. With a little creativity and effort, you can transform your tiny outdoor space into a tropical paradise. By following these tips, you can create a lush and vibrant garden that will be the envy of your neighbors. Tell us which was your favorite design inspiration in the comments below, and if you enjoyed this video, you'll love this next one.